Staff Priority Wednesday Customer Service Audio. I'd seen something recently about people who had mentioned about being posts about them being unhappy. They had been part of something, and when they want to know why they didn't get the same benefits as some of the other people, they were told this could only be done on certain days, or this was only allowed, or only so many times. And they said, how come somebody else got it? They said, those people are staff. They are assisting us, so they get the same special bonuses. And that had made the people unhappy. And coming from a customer service perspective, this is something that I would see. When I had been involved with nonprofits, they had times when their regular customers could come in, or people that use their services could come in, or what time they had to leave. Well, one time I had not been assisting that day, and so I went to leave. And they said, no, your staff, you can stay. We give the extra bonuses to our staff that they can stay. Some will give staff an extra meal, or, treat them to a meal or a special lunch. Some will give extra posting benefits. Many companies have service plans for their customers where those customers get priority service. So if they don't offer service on the weekends, or if they after-hour service is a special rate, their regular customers who buy into a service plan pay the same rate. So maybe you pay $99 a year, for example, for your service plan. And then when you need after-hour service, you pay the same regular rate. For someone who doesn't have that service plan, will pay the after-hours rate. So as a customer service perspective, I see this because you're valuing and giving those bonuses to your regular customers or staff, even volunteer, who have assisted you.